Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking.
Where are you from?
I am from India,
Which part of India?
in Jammu and Kashmir, northern part.
Ah,
Yes. Have you heard about Kashmir?
I have heard about Jammu and Kashmir,
Oh, very nice.
but I have heard about the political Jammu and Kashmir. So
Okay.
Azad.
So, where are you from?
I am from Australia. I'm from Melbourne.
Australia.
Yeah.
Wow. Very
So,
nice.
can
Such
you?
a beautiful place.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Hmm. So, can you?
No. Can I ask you a question? I want to ask you about what it's like now in Jammu and Kashmir.
Right now,
Yeah.
speak again. What happened?
So at the moment in Jammu and Kashmir, what is the situation like?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus and the my dog.
Yes, yes, yes.
So coronavirus and the other situations that you have.
Yeah, all good.
It's better.
Yes, better.
So so for example, you now obviously you have access to the internet now.
Sorry?
You have access to. So last year.
Yes.
No, in 2019, in August,
Yeah.
there was the change in the law and the internet was.
Yes.
So has the situation improved? My dog.
Yeah, no problem.
So
Yeah, it's better, all better.
all better.
Yes.
And so, do you live in Srinagar?
Sorry?
Which city do you live?
In Jammu.
In Jammu.
Yes.
Okay. So Jammu is. I'm trying to remember. So I have a friend whose family is from Jammu, but they now live in Pakistan.
Okay. Your friends?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now they are living in. Right now they are living in Pakistan.
Yeah, so they migrated to Pakistan, I think, after the 1967 and the clash between the two countries.
Yes.
So how old are you?
17.
You're very young.
Yes.
And so what does it mean to be Kashmiri?
Sorry?
What sorry, my accent can be a bit difficult. So what
Can you
does
write?
Yeah.
Can you send me text? Yes. Actually, in Kashmir, a lot of nature.
Yeah.
So a lot of fruits, and all people are very good, very nice, and so that's why I really like Kashmir. Kashmir
Yeah.
life. Yes.
And what was I want to ask you a question about 2019, okay?
Yeah.
You were very young. But how did you feel in August 2019 when the law changed?
Mm. Sorry.
In August 2019
Yes.
when Constitution of India.
Actually, I don't know about politics.
Okay.
Yes,
You're
I know only myself.
better because
You
you're
could
young.
ask me about myself.
Okay, so tell me what you want to do when you finish school. What do you want to do?
Yeah. Actually, I want to become an Islamic scholar. I want to do religious study
That's
in my
amazing.
university. Yes, I'm very interesting in religious studies. So yeah, this is my
That's
goal.
beautiful.
Yeah, I want to fulfill this goal.
That is beautiful.
Yeah.
And would you like to study in India, or would you like to study outside?
Maybe next year I will go to the America.
Ah, amazing.
Yes, because there is a lot of there is a um, professional study.
Professional study.
Yes, yes, there is a lot of Islamic scholars.
Yes.
Yes, so that's
And
why I want to complete my study there.
that's really beautiful, and it's really nice to hear you say that.
Yeah.
So I think your religion is beautiful.
Yes.
And so what is your why do you want to be an Islamic scholar? Why?
Actually, mm, I wanted to. Hmm, let me think. Actually, firstly, I think in my mind in uh, Urdu language, and then I translate in English.
That's okay.
Actually, I am interested in Islamic study since childhood.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I want in my childhood I I listen a lot of Islamic speeches and Islamic mm, uh, I mean Islamic videos. So I love my religion.
Yes.
Yeah. So
That's very beautiful.
in um, I want to go to the paradise
I hope
after
you do.
after that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
this is a better way
Yeah.
to go to the paradise.
And you are now in university or high school,
In high school, I am in 12th grade currently.
and you finish very soon.
Yes, yes, it's my last year. But I don't take new admission in 12th grade because there is a because it's summer vacation.
It's
So
summer.
after summer vacation, I take new admission. I will take new admission
And
in
then
August. Yeah.
very
So
exciting for you.
yeah. So tell me, how is my English?
Your English is brilliant.
Actually, I have been speaking English for a month. So I don't know what I say. Other teachers.
No, your English is very, very, very good.
Thank you.
So we have 15 seconds. So
Yes.
very nice to meet you. You
Nice.
you I
You
have no
too.
words. You are a wonderful young woman, and I hope you achieve your goals. Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.